Most men don't realize this. The reason they feel older isn't because of time. It's because their body has quietly lost its nighttime repair code. You can take magnesium all you want, but if you're missing 2 key vitamins before bed, your body simply can't fix itself. That's why so many men over 60 feel the same tired, soft, disconnected from the man they used to be. Tonight, I'm going to show you something different. A small nightly habit that can completely reset your energy, your blood flow, and even your confidence in the bedroom. It takes less than a minute. No medication, no stimulants, just nature working the way it was designed to. Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Markham. I'm a urologist and 12 years experience. I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s restore their vitality without dependency on pills. Because your body isn't broken, it's just missing the right signals. And when you send those signals at the right time, everything changes. Before we dive in, take 1 second to support this channel. Tap that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss future men's health videos. And let me know in the comments, where are you watching from today? Starting tonight, let's begin. After 50, every man feels it. You don't bounce back like you used to. Your mornings feel heavier. Your muscles lose that firm response. And your energy fades faster than before. But here's the truth most men never hear. Your body isn't aging too fast. It's simply being starved of the real reason energy drops after 50 nutrients, and timing it once used to repair itself every single night. And here's something few men ever hear about your mitochondria. Those tiny batteries inside your cells that create energy. After 50, they slow down. They produce less energy for your heart, brain, and muscles. And when mitochondria lose power, you feel it everywhere. You may think it's just fatigue, but it's not. It's your cells asking for fuel and not getting it. At the same time, silent inflammation begins to build. It's invisible, but powerful. It makes your arteries more rigid, your nerves less responsive, and your muscles slower to recover. That's why so many men describe the same thing. Everywhere you look, someone is talking about magnesium. They call it the miracle mineral, the sleep mineral, the relaxation secret. And yes, magnesium plays a huge role in your body. It calms the nervous system, supports muscle function, and helps you rest. But here's the part nobody tells you. Magnesium by itself is only half the equation. If your body doesn't have the right coactors, the vitamins that help magnesium get inside your cells, most of it passes right through you. It's like trying to refuel your car with the nozzle still capped. The fuel just spills out. This is the secret behind true restoration. Not just supplementation, but synchronization. In the next section, we'll uncover how they work inside your body and the 1-minute nighttime habit that helps them activate what happens inside your body as you age your natural repair code. Now, let's talk about the real breakthrough, the 2 vitamins that bring your body back online while you sleep. So what are they? These are vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Most people think of vitamin D3 as the sunshine vitamin. They know it helps bones and immunity. But very few realize D3 also regulates over 1,000 genes, including the genes responsible for hormone production, blood vessel elasticity, and cellular repair. When your D3 levels fall, which happens naturally with age and less sun exposure, your body can't repair blood vessels efficiently. Your circulation slows, your energy tanks, and your repair signals stay dormant. But here's the hidden partner that makes all the difference. Vitamin K2. K2's job is to act like a traffic controller. It tells calcium exactly where to go into your bones and muscles, not your arteries. Without K2, calcium can harden your arteries, making them stiff and less responsive. That's one of the hidden reasons older men lose that youthful blood flow and feel weaker even when they're healthy. When D3 and K2 work together, everything changes. Your arteries stay flexible and open. Blood flow improves to your heart, brain, and vital areas. Magnesium starts working the way it should, calming your system while boosting energy production, and your cells finally get the green light to repair themselves overnight. This is the foundation of your body's nighttime repair code, the biological program that rebuilds your strength, hormones, and circulation while you sleep. Think of D3 as the switch, and K2 as the director. D3 turns the power back on. K2 makes sure that power goes exactly where it's needed. No waste. Know the truth about magnesium, why it's not enough damage. When taken at the right time, right? Especially before bed. This duo signals your cells. It's night. It's safe. Start rebuilding. And that's when you wake up differently. Your body feels lighter, stronger, and more focused. Not because of caffeine or stimulants, but because your own biology has been reactivated. In the next section, I'll show you how to combine these two vitamins with one simple 1-minute nightly habit that helps your body absorb and use them perfectly so you can feel the results faster than you ever thought possible. Here's where everything comes together. The part you can start doing tonight. You already know magnesium, D3, and K2 are the 3 pillars of your body's nighttime repair system. But timing is everything. The way you combine them, and when determines whether your body stores energy or creates it. So, here's the 1-minute habit. Every night, about 30 to 45 minutes before bed, take vitamin D3 with K2 together. These two should always be paired. K2 directs the D3 activity and ensures calcium stays where it belongs. Then, right before you lie down, take magnesium glycinate, or magnesium threonate forms that absorb easily and calm your nervous system. This timing does something powerful. As your brain releases melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep mode, D3 and K2, activate your nitric oxide pathways and vessel repair signals. Then when magnesium enters your cells, it amplifies those repair signals, soothing your nervous system, relaxing muscles, and opening blood vessels for deeper circulation. While you sleep, your body starts working like it did decades ago. Cells detoxify more efficiently. Muscles absorb nutrients and rebuild. You're the 2 vitamins that reactivate your repair code. Arteries become more flexible. Your mitochondria recharge like tiny batteries. And the result? You wake up clear-headed, lighter, and more confident because your body has been working for you, not against you, all night long. There's another secret benefit too. When your body's circulation improves, your hormone balance follows. Testosterone, growth hormone, and thyroid levels begin to normalize naturally without needing synthetic boosters. That's why so many men report something extraordinary after just a few weeks of this routine. They don't just feel better, they feel younger, all from one simple 1-minute habit done before bed. But before you start, there's one key thing you must understand. This isn't about taking more supplements. It's about giving your body the right tools, in the right order, at the right time. In the next section, I'll explain how to make this routine truly effective, what to avoid, how to enhance absorption, and the few common mistakes that stop men from getting results. Now that you know what to do, let's talk about what not to do. Because even small mistakes can completely block your body's repair signals. Most men who try to restore their energy or circulation fall into these traps. They're simple, but powerful enough to cancel all your progress if you don't catch them. 1. Taking supplements at the wrong timing matters more than most people realize. Taking D3, K2, or magnesium at random hours, especially in the morning, can confuse your body's circadian rhythm. These nutrients are meant to activate repair, not daytime alertness. When taken before bed, they align with your body's natural nighttime healing cycle. But when taken in the morning, they can actually suppress melatonin and reduce your deep sleep quality. the exact opposite of what you want. Mistake number 2, using the wrong form of magnesium. Many supplements use magnesium oxide or citrate cheap forms that barely absorb and can upset your stomach. For true restoration, you need magnesium glycinate or magnesium. The 1-minute nighttime habit that changes everything. Threonate. These forms cross the blood-brain barrier, calm your nervous system, and restore energy production at the cellular level. Mistake number 3, ignoring vitamin K2. Countless men take vitamin D3 alone, and that's a huge mistake. Without K2, D3 can cause calcium to drift into arteries instead of bones. Over time, this hardens blood vessels and reduces circulation. Always combine D3 and K2, their biological partners. One switches on the light, the other directs where that light should shine. 4. Skipping healthy fats. Vitamins is D3 and K2 are fat soluble. That means your body can't absorb them properly without a small amount of fat. So take them with a meal that includes olive oil, avocado, eggs, or fish, something natural and healthy. Without this, your supplements are only half effective. 5. Overtraining or underleaping. This one surprises people. Many men push themselves harder in the gym when energy drops, thinking more effort means better results. But your body doesn't build during workouts. It builds during recovery. If you're not sleeping deeply, your muscles, hormones, and mitochondria never fully recharge. The 1-minute nighttime habit restores that repair window, but only if you give your body rest to use it. Mistake number 6, not staying consistent. This is where most people fail. They try the routine for a week or 2, then stop when results don't show instantly. But your biology doesn't rush. It rebuilds gradually. Your cells, blood vessels, and hormones. Mistakes that block circulation and repair take time to reprogram. That's why the men who commit for 30 nights see the biggest transformation, because their bodies finally remember how to heal. Correct these mistakes, and your repair system will respond faster than you think. In the next and final section, we'll bring everything together. How this simple nightly rhythm not only restores energy and circulation, but helps you reclaim the vitality and confidence you thought were gone for good. You don't need to fight your body. You just need to remind it how to work the way it used to. When you combine magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2 at the right time, your body remembers its original rhythm. Your blood vessels open, your energy returns, and your confidence follows naturally, not from a pill, but from true biological restoration. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring balance. Because the truth is, your body still knows how to repair, rebuild, and perform. It's just waiting for the reclaiming strength, confidence, and vitality. Starting tonight signal. When you start this 1-minute nighttime habit, you sleep deeper and wake up clearer. You feel lighter in the morning and stronger through the day. Circulation improves, hormones rebalance, and your mind sharpens again. And that quiet confidence, the kind that comes from energy, strength, and presence, returns on its own. Every night becomes an opportunity to rebuild. Every morning becomes proof that your body still works for you. You don't have to accept the idea that getting older means slowing down. You don't need endless supplements or extreme routines. You just need consistency, timing, and the right natural tools. So tonight, take that 1 minute for yourself. Pair vitamin D3 with K2. Add your magnesium. Let your body do the rest. I'm Dr. Mary Markham. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next lesson.